You already familiar with hyphenations, which I defined and described before. Also on break, page break, column break. And again, I will talk about text wrapping later on. And of course, you know about section breaks, but just a quick demonstration. I go into Home tab, show non-visible characters, and as I mentioned before, if you want to have several chapters, define different header, footer. For example, right click edit header and insert something, and on different page you have another one, or one page orientation is different. You could, of course, by the going layout, define the breaks. Allow me to exit. Break. We have the next page. As you see here, written insert a section break and new section for the next page. Continues on the current page. And for even and odd pages, define different one, which I will show you the practical projects with page setup and in a complete projects. Anyway, also about line numbers, allow me to type equal lorem. Alright, we could click on line number and let's say continues. It is continuing. Allow me to add more, just nonsense words. Alright, to paste something like that. And we have restart each page. As you see, start from 1 and again start from 1. And restart on each section. They are same section, but I could click there and break next page, and there it is. Now we have a different section. You could see the section break notes there. Alright, Shift Control or Shift Command 8. And you could suppress for current paragraph. You could be inside of that or select multiple paragraphs and line numbers suppress for current paragraph. Note that on the line numbering options, actually the page setup will open. On the layout and section, I will talk about them. And of course, header and footer different between odd and even pages. Different first page, which is special. As I mentioned, it will work not only for first page, also gonna applicable for sections. But you could click on the line numbers and you could set manually start from which number, from text spacing, how you could set, and count by. For example, I want to count by 2. Again, restart each page, section, or continuous. Okay, and there it is. I have 2 steps here, and because I defined for this section, it is only working based on this. If I set continuous, again, and let me remove the actual section. Here I could remove it. Alright. And now we have the same values, and you could again go to the options, line numbers, and set what you want. Distance from text, much more maybe, and count this one, maybe 5, just as an example. Okay. I think I suppressed the numbers. Allow me to check it out. Line numbers, each section, no, entire page, okay and okay. Allow me to select them all and disable suppress, and line number continues. Sorry, it will happen sometimes. Maybe the from text is too much and it is not visible because it's going to the left side. Okay, and there it is. Note that distance going to the left side, close to the sides of your page, so don't increase too much. And although you could define the margin on page setup, something like from left maybe more to, okay, and they will push to the right side.